Hello guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon. See your girl Becky. More play music small. Get pain story to share. Share this video to your friends. Share guys. Hello guys, share this video. Share. Please guys, share. Good afternoon or good evening, wherever you are watching me from, guys. We have painful story to share with you guys today. Painful story. We are going to use Benin and English. Bro, anything we use for here today. Guys, I'm angry. I'm really angry. Share this video, guys. All of us, we don't come to this pain. We don't already go far. Everybody. As I say, you pass Libya. You don't come up for Nigeria, you pass Libya. This story, you know what I'm going to talk about. Because it's very painful story. So share, guys. Share this video. Share. Even if you are at least on I when you one here me matter we matter Thailand. Nema boya ya me wa be mani make it ave woni make it gba ni make it any ogba no he na we human trafficking. Here where human trafficking, here where human trafficking before. A message now where because a message now. I need to talk to him today because my friend when he called me, the thing they pay me. I don't want to come out today. This message, so he paid me today. Since yesterday, call me yesterday, explain to me, but today on the thing pay me. He pay me. The thing pay me because me, they still do it to me. Guys, share this video. Share, please, guys. More gist. I beg, guys, if they drop in our comments, they drop comments. We need to, everybody, share this video. Share first. Share. I'm just feel happy. I'm not happy at all. I just want to make myself happy a little before I start. No, when I'm away me, Egiame we he, all Westy Godo, Sano give me a bone, everything I hear a bone. Share this video, because if now I can when I don't buy my why mark me, but a message now, away can in wow, away can, we need to talk. And I'm on here, I hate that. May just fast, may just wait and one G. Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening, forever you are watching me. Face your girl Becky Love. The message I bring today. My friend, one of my friends, think was 2005. Was a friend. She called me. We met on Facebook. Was being long. We even meet for Libya. We separate ourselves for Libya. His sister. Now I want to talk about so, but the guy, na my person. Then when we leave us together, 2005, 25 to 26 December, going to 26 was, let me say 2006, where we live Nigeria together. We separate in Duruku. Happy Sunday, Janusa, my sister. How you dey, love? Share this video, please, guys. Share. My sister, help me share this video, because a message, you know, we can. We experience well while we are dropping the comments. We separate in Duruku. The burger we carry all of us that time. We all know the way Libya be that time. It's not easy at all. Libya road not easy. As we reach Duruku, we separate, because when we sell burger, the carriers they come. We separate. Then our burger will be 3 girls. That time 3 girls, we are friends. Our burger can't sell all of us for Duruku. Who pass Duruku go know wetin I dey talk. So the pain where did that place where we pass. Our burger can't sell all of us. He can't say he want to go back to Nigeria. He want to go bring passenger. He hand over us to person. The person will carry us country Tripoli. We don't know say he sell us. As we come reach Tripoli, we dey Saba. As we reach Saba, water come pass Gary. For this thing I hear the cost, so we spend more than 4 to 5 months so for Agadez. We take not be small. Share this video, guys. Share, please. Because this story is very painful story. It's a painful story. If it can happen to you, it can happen to your brother, it can happen to your loved ones, it can happen to anyone, even you. If you know say you don't pass Libya, wait till they talk so your experience. Happy ma, good afternoon or good evening. How you doing now? How my girl? You understand? They can't sell all of us. When we go reach Duruku now, Saba, matter change. The man where they carry us, they come. One of our girls come, they misbehave. He say na buy, he buy. Just that vaccination. He say he buy una, we buy una. As in, you buy, you might be like say maybe na bush meat now you buy. I buy una. I can't go ask my girlfriend say, this man, what say they talk? And then I know they eat beans. That man, the punishment, what made that man call they even they do us like that. Sometimes he go just cook beans, go buy beans, come for market. I say, bros, I know they eat beans. I don't like them. Because if I don't like me, I rest. Sometimes people go buy Onza bread. They'll come give me. I'll chop Onza bread. I'll rest. This story now, this story parts me about this my friend sister way that they look for so. I just they use my own as in my own past. May I start first. My own experience. May I start. This my burger so. I come to my girlfriend say this man knows I know they eat beans. If I eat beans, they disturb me well. Even till now, I know they eat them. I know even they cook beans. If I come your house, I dey allergic to beans. I don't like them. I know you like right from time when they grow. They cannot like beans. I don't know why. I know you like beans. My friend, my girlfriend, say, you don't know, but your marriage, the bad ones are for you. Eat that one. Come say okay. That evening, you come they try to sleep with that my friend. So the girl I eat boge or lushi. The girl come they misbehave. The girl can say no. I'll go find a mate. Then now people wait be say that's not what they talk so. They can't join her. They can't beat this my girlfriend. They beat her. Beat nonsense come for a body. They can't push us for the pain. Even use us say work for Saba. We work for Saba. We will take pay our money. God was so kind. God can't send helper. Come for us. Let me put it was a helper. The man can't help us. Come Tripoli. Because they more can't pay for Tripoli. Because Tripoli better than Saba. As we reach Saba, Tripoli, we start for square one. That was 2007. So we can't do Libya for 2007. 2007, pain for pain. 2008, the same thing again. Even that time when me they talk, so now madam carry me for house, they use me swear. When we reach Saba, I can't even call person for Nigeria, say, help me go this also person house. Go help me collect his sister number. The girl come, my girlfriend, so not be girlfriend, the man a person will be say they know for Bini. Now the man, now you call him now, say, now my dad. The man come help me go that house. When he goes, he say, now that man, so, now he come, they can't give her that girl for Europe number, can't give me. I can't call and say, I call, now your girlfriend, I pick up. He said this woman so where they carry us a con. He both push her for up 7-story building. The woman, she dey coma, or as in she woman condemn. Let me put it like she condemn. I call they cry. That was 2008 in Libya. I call they cry. Say, God, what did they happen? That time, I call even they call Nigeria. My mom no know say I come up for us. People who don't know say I come up for us, they know that time say they pass through pain. That time my age, I still dey young. 2007, so I call they pass through pain for Libya, through pain from nonsense to nonsense, from nonsense to nonsense. Yes, because we need to say it. I don't want to talk with you pass through. Because I'm not supposed to talk this thing, so but this my friend will call me for a sister whether they find, so he make me vex today come out. And they come for una, and they come for get where they go. Not just they make. I want to use my own story, my own past tense, as in my own past. To start this video. Then I can call my mom, not my mom, my brother. Come only one boy will get say, brother, see what they pass through. What my brother go do? You know go Libya. You don't know anything. My brother call they run up and down. All of them call they run up and down. What did they go do? I can say, okay, where are they? That time 150,000 so. Family will be say, if we not go far, we know they eat. Now you go see 150,000 give me. They no see. Because I see the pain, I see the suffer when my mama they pass through, because we dey young when my dad died, leave us. Now make me use myself as a sacrifice. Say I want go make her come. Make my family say they okay. Because me I believe say a lot of people today where they pass through that pain, where they lost their life for through this journey of Libya. Now because of family, now they come up for us. Because if you me not see who eat belly full, where be say family really dey okay, papa get, mama get, you go say you want go die for small pikin, not dead this life. You not dead. They not see money bring. My mom call cry to one of his brother, their last born, may also rest in peace, bros. They call cry, because say he now get, now get, no they help get. Me I not even know that say he dey pay, get one issue that police say that. I don't know. He say no, they help me. Say what make me come up for us? That reason will make me come up for us. Now you better do one for Libya there. That is my family or my mom's side. I say okay, mom now so you talk. They call they add down for me say you never pick, but the time when they come tell me they come say you don't pick. See what you talk. If not my snowball they come, if for help because in a ma. Hell, now say God. Even if they yek baby here avec Libya, me na hine gbo can hear. I want you to die like that. One money they can't allow us to go buy something. Call come out for connection house. I want to go buy something. Yes, you not talk, you not talk. Who want talk? I can't come and say I'm gonna go buy something. I can't tell jam my daughter, father. The man at connection man. You see me say Smally, where they go? Me not even know say na connection man. Say na my way even get connection. He even get level for Libya. I don't know. I can't y'all look up because pain in my heart. My heart they bleed. I know even they look human beings. I know they look human beings person. I know they look person as I know they get value of human being because waiting I pass through, waiting my body see the pain, the beat when I collect. The day when I be say I go reject, waiting I'm not supposed to reject. The beat when they go beat me because of money. They say they send me for $4,000. $4,000 that time we all know how much for Nigeria. Who want send that $4,000 come for your mama, for you for Libya? Your mama will never eat, or your brothers, your sister will never eat. I got that pain, so I dey feel pain. All my body full for injury. When they beat me, mark. They use fine bed, they beat girls. If you don't want to work, go bring money for make Ogun will take you now. Where be human trafficking? Now Ogun I go kill you now. The man can't see me. I call the verse. Can't say you are not happy. I say you as you just see me so. I not getting no happiness. I not get joy. The man can say okay. May I give you a number? He go call me. I can't give you a number. The man can call me in the midnight. I can't say if you want to see me, or let's say you call this connection, I can't carry me for work for daybreak. If not, they don't allow me come out. The man can't really come. As he come, as you enter that connection, I say you see because then the man know her well. Because Raphael, what did they do here? You can say you can find one smally for you. Now, say, who smally? Now, the man, this my burger, so he say, you your girl, this man go your pay all your money finish, carry you go in house. I say, I don't understand. He say, this man a big man, oh, you go even cross, you go Europe. You know that kind of thing, you go get joy. You go even thank your God, say, God, who said this can help her come? You don't know, say, now another air fire, now you they go. We cage. We can't deal. That very day, the man already come. He come. They are two can't talk. Because I carry my clothes, my bag. I follow. I can't follow him. As I follow and reach us, he come. They ask me question. I can't explain my pain. What to make me come for Nigeria? I can't explain everything for her. The man he really touch her. Cause okay, how much can remain? I say I don't know, but I know say they work. I they give her money. Cause okay. Can't go ask her. The man can say remain that $1,500. This man so you can't pay. Rafa can't pay. People wey dey Libya wey know this connection what they talk. So when they drop off on a comment say if na no Rafa, na Ghana man. If na no Rafa can't really do that thing. That help. Now it promote me for that connection as we be say I no die for small pikin. He can't carry me come out. Cause they house. I dey house. Go no go. Come no come. Now me because even they use. Take they do a passenger work. Passenger go come for midnight. Go wake me. Me I go carry them. Me a driver go. I can't talk to. Me go even talk to business woman. He can't they use me. They work for him money. They night go still rich. Now boyfriend now call her now. Go still they I want cry to. Which papa even the Nigerian boys were wicked. Now you go even run to say Nigeria may you tell them they go even carry they go say you Nigeria. See don't tell one they do bad then. You don't tell one they do bad. You don't tell. You don't tell one are wicked. Not be now. You don't tell one are wicked. Even the Nigerian boy where you go say okay, now still Nigeria be this or now still Benin be this one. May you go run meet. 2008 now they talk so. They go carry you, they'll go sell you for connection as you will still work for your own brother. Your own brother, what you say now your brother. Ghana may better pass Nigeria for Libya. Ghana may better pass them. Senegal may better pass Nigeria for Libya. Even this Europe, they better pass some of them. They better. Senegal better pass many of them. You understand? So this girl, as we call it, 2009, I can't take it for Libya. Papa no day, mama no day. That 2009, this my cousin say I get belly because okay, 3 months I dey beg and want go Europe. I don't want go for Libya. I want go Europe. He can't push me. 2009, I think it was September. I still remember September. I think it was September. He can't push me. Our boat can't go side for Libya. Out of 120, now only 2 of us. Now I survive. I can't go wake up for Tony's. Now Tony's they forgot take care of me. Tony's now they forgot take care of me. I can't date Tony's until my pregnancy completes 7 good months. I be 8 months before I can't dey wear. All my body can't dey pee because I tear because of the life jacket. I know too. I tear for lip. I tear. My body can't dey pee. All my hair remove because I dey come abroad. I want to find food for family. I want to find food for people. Make them, as if for family, make them say they okay. I can't day like that. I can't deliver my daughter. 2010 February. I can't deliver my daughter. Not be the same Libya for this deliver. I born my daughter. I can't still continue like that. That crisis of Gaddafi, where they take the kill Gaddafi, that fight. I dey Libya. Me and Pikin. Where bomb? Where they throw where bomb anyhow? I dey Libya. I come manage. Carry Pikin. Go Nigeria. I see they. Suffer continue. Pikin don't dey Nigeria. Suffer continue. Through that pain and everything. Through that pain. I want cross again. Come Europe. They can't arrest us again. They can't carry us go Zidane. Now they carry this prison where they carry us go. Now this thing they carry us go. I go remember the prison just now. We can't do that prison. I spent 8 months for prison. Not be smarty they do me. Not be smarty I go through. Go no go. Come no come. They want deport us. We can't even they call our president. We can't they even they beg. If they brief for now inside Baku, they rap phone. We think I bring call for us. What will they make call Africa say we want there. Now TV Joshua where God go bless. Now you can't say flights call for us. They can't deport all of us go Nigeria. Why they told this story so? This my friend will call me so. We don't say we'll be friends. We all meet for Facebook. Because I beg you, how you there? We call you see the gist. That was yesterday evening. This story where this boy tell, wait, explain to me. It make me feel bad. I feel tears, man. A lot of girls they pass through pain. Madam go carry them come for us. They go abandon them for Libya. Madam go they deceive them for Nigeria. They go abandon them. So don't die. Take. Their family go see the way say pikin they Libya. The madam go see the deceived family say he send a message. He send a Katafa may go work on. He send a Abuja may go work on. The pikin will be send not be you. They send Abuja send up and down. You know the pikin not the same money. You go they use your own money. They send make they not think and say their pikin don't they alive again. Which kind of wicked life will they live? Which kind of wickedness una they create for our children? Which kind of wickedness will they create for our children? Eh, you matter trafficking madams, what go kill now? Then they don't say the muffin no go, the muffin, they pay the muffin, bend them, they pay the muffin, go bless you for waiting you stop. If not be you, a lot of children see they pass through pain today. This girl, so, this their sister, so. Now 18 years old girl. 18 years old girl. Since 2016, he said the woman say the girl don't enter Europe. In the Senna, Austria, Germany, Nenevie, Norway, Catafoy the Senna. Cause this my friend so he dey Nigeria because he no fit cross. He dey Nigeria they do business. That sister so not tell they can't come up for us. But they know the woman wey the last born, they as in second to last. He know the person wey carry her come off. He know the house because he dey closer to them. We carry her come on. So the girl don't die. Don't die for sea. Small pikin don't die for sea. This woman, if they go Nigeria every time, he go even pack loads. He go give this woman for Nigeria. Say he over when he marry. They say last time, come send money. He said the pikin say me they take buy land. To you to tell they say this girl don't die. They know they receive call for this girl. They know they receive call for her. Now that one, I made the call. They try to say, I beat this woman. They deceive them. She's there. He said they don't no money where they never waste to go outside. Nothing doctor don't chop. Pastor don't chop. Different people don't chop say still they alive. We be say this girl not there alive. He said last this month so. Now one of their friends where the guys are sick or more, where you know this their sister. You know say na the same boat. Now that one junior one enter come Italy. That one survivor. Italy rescued them. This innocent girl so precious Etiosa die. They not take, they say, the woman when carry, you not tell family, say, Etiosa don't die. If they deceive that they send money, go they give this family, say, Etiosa when you do €100 gweje, Etiosa when you do €50 gweje. Which, Etiosa find you, they send that money, that woman, they ask you, say, Igo na mama ta, I 1 year for my daughter. You go say the country where it dey, in this, this civilian time what we did so you will see the deceive old woman, deceitful family. When this lady can't go Nigeria, now he can't meet this boy for real growth. Cause how you there long time? You come Nigeria say any day Nigeria. I forget to mona sorry you very sorry. I know see for take call you, tell you say una sister die for Libya. This my friend say he collapse. He collapse. Una sister don't die for Libya. Now the boys ask and say, you say waiting. He say, even this wicked madam, so he then Nigeria. He say, now they can't carry police. Our police with Nigeria. Anything where they call that name for. Anything where they made they call that name Nigeria. I don't know whether they swear for that country at all. I know the police not good. We people will still there inside. All of them are still the same for one night. Now they carry police, they go need Akate for Nigeria. Say, our sister don't die, you don't talk. He say whether they expect him. He may come tell una say una pikin don't die. Why you pikin when you carry come for Nigeria? Why you not tell the people say he don't die? Make the rest. Why you not go tell the family say this pikin you lost him or you be the carry come he die? Not be your fault. Why you not go tell them? You they deceive them for good 4 years. You they deceive family, full family. The innocent girl don't die. You they deceive them. Europe, madam. Now make una body they pepe una like this. They pepe una. Anytime when that man want shoot una nyash, the thing go they pepe una will come out now go they pepe una. Because the truth where be say the fight where the man fight. Wait, they stop this nonsense for Europe. Wait, they stop. It's not be even the mass of people for that see they born. You will see women for Europe 14. They go there Europe for how many years? They not go get picky. They go see they walk. Make they take pay. Who sit down you know? But when the moment where this man fight and where our king, where push swear come and say me yes enough is enough. See children for everywhere. The man is saying single mother, because now what you born at your own. Take off him. So that way they find money million where they want to born now because what they do pass. You ask me now, even some my dad, the kind of wickedness that una show to una guess. Una not get picky to today. Una oti say na nothing that do. Now what una use una heart to do? Because me I not see who go wicked, get that wicked now. How picky go take pass your domot come? How picky go take pass your domot come? For that wicked heart where you get. How that you picky go take pass and come? How when take pass and come? How now go you the wicked people because they so we be so no create now they punish them because una need una money. Una need una money. Una go use 1,500 carry get come for us. Una cause me pay 15,000 euro, me pay 30,000 euro. Now greediness now go kill you. Tagos now see no they exist again. So we see they exist any country, any others militia country we see they exist. Any madam where come say he want to carry on a sister come out go Europe. Mona no agree. Hard work they pay. Mona go learn hard work. Hard work they pay. Mona go learn hard work. Hard work they pay. If you get hard work before you dey Europe spend 5 years. If you really get better place, you get support. Who dey Europe for 10 years before you go build that? You were there Nigeria, you go build your own. If you use your money well, you use your brain well for that money as you dey receive am. You go build times 2. Not people come abroad they they make money. People there abroad they never eat. People there abroad to see €5 a day. Now so that they do. But you were there Nigeria before you do any business or any small thing. Even though na pure water you put for air say you want go sell, you will get money. Europe na come put pure water for air do go follow you back. Put for air do go back. Even the clothes what we even say we they sell all these things. Sometimes if you go suffer, you go they cry. You know see you go back. Mona no dey comot for us again because that time when me take comot 2 times when me pass that Libya road 2 times when I pass am I no enjoy one day. Who go say he pass Libya road wa here azonhi you be wish you pass Libya road say na sweet then you take pass am na wish you be. So still dey Libya now where you dey suffer. Go no go, come no come. So go back, they no fit go back. So come Europe, they no fit come Europe. They just see they suffer for there someday. Oh my God, come carry region and you no get support, you no get anything. You no go there, they suffer for there. I use girl beg una. Una wey get sister for Libya wey be say no fit cross. Mona dey call una sister if una get in contact. Mona dey hear from her every time if you still there alive. Or for Nigeria, they don't carry your sister, carry you any of your siblings come up for Nigeria. Say that they carry come abroad for 2 years, 3 years. You not hear from I never call you. He don't die for Libya. He don't die. He not there alive again. That they deceive when I say they see the year from I not there again. Madam deceive family for 4 years. Pikin not there alive. You know if you tell they say not there, say don't die. Which kind of wicked life would they live? Which kind of wicked heart? I feel sorry to that family. I tell you, sir, may your soul rest in perfect peace. Because my own night they talk, and if not be God will send that mark on that time. Maybe by this time, for don't die, eh? I for don't die. Which of my family know we are there for Libya? Where won't come find me? They don't know we are there. They never get contact with anybody. Because the person will come from Nigeria, he not go Nigeria back again. He not go. Because now true friend, ME5 friend, ME5 get. Now they take find us. They desperate because they say you want come abroad. Fine, let me call it desperate because if your family eat belleful, you know they're desperate now. You're they desperate and you want come. Cause this thing they pay me. They always they tell say they say this man so why your matter why your name not finish your name not finish for my mouth. Now God go bless you. Now God go bless you, social media president. Now God go bless you for waiting you stop. Cause if not be you when first start this fight, if not be you, now Alpha family now for the Nigeria. Cause the red wall of the bidate they park on Europe, eh? So you see the prison now. So you see the prison. Where family not even the hear from. Nobody they hear from them. Nobody know where they dey. Nobody they know where they do. Nobody know where they dey. So you see the prison. They suffer for them. You did them. Who won't find you for prison? Who know where you dey? You dey live here. They not feel fine. You say you dey prison. Libya prison. Nowadays. How they want to find you? Which location they want to come there? The time when they get president, the man still try where women get value. Nah, women not get value for Libya. Oh. Women not get value again. They look women like say maybe another thing. That's why if you touch woman, you touch and you bless say you touch a lion tail. That's how the man they will Gaddafi their life. If you touch woman for Libya, bless say you touch lion tail. But no, you not there, girl. Who go fight for you? Nobody. Nobody. Because even that time, self when Gaddafi day, if they go boss connection as they arrest girls, guys not the thing. Now, banana they carry the come because they don't want me that they suffer for them. Now, me they suffer. But now, there's no one do the banana for you when you want to carry your sister come outside. You know where it day. You know the prison where it day. You want call. The thing just as in the thing they make me the verse. Madams wey know say you carry Percy Piki come off for Nigeria. That person where you carry don't die. Find any way to call the family to tell them say their daughter don't die. Find any way. If not burial, they say me you can't do. Find money, go do the burial. Make the innocent, make their spirit rest in peace. May you still get rest of mind. May you still get peace of mind. Because many of you are not get, not be lying, not get her. Waiting happen now. Waiting they happen. One of your wicked like this. One of wicked like this. One of your wicked like this. To treat another person Piki bad. You carry Piki come out for Nigeria. Fine, I help you do, but you at first say you the help don't to bad. You return the Piki, go back to the family. If you never see the person return, go tell your family, call them. Because before you some day before they carry their commode, that they know their mama, that they know their brother, that they know some day like that. The one way you know say they like that, find any way to call the family. Tell them say their daughter when you be carried come from Nigeria. He don't die. Not they deceive them again say they live say river never clear. River never clear. People they enter. The man said this COVID-19 so now everything guy be. By this time now summer now we don't they close to summer. Suppose now we will see the year for telling us say Italy don't fool, Italy don't fool. Why now? Why? I will end this video for here. Please, guys, please. Anybody where you know say if family that they find a family for Libya, or that they know say that person don't die, you get in contact, you know say that person will now together across Libya. Come out for Facebook when you talk say if una dey find some person like this, now this name now I know how for this person like this, he don't die. Oh, now we got that come from Nigeria. Una dey talk, una we see day, we see day we be say all of una dey the same boat. The person die, wanna take enter Libya, wanna take enter Italy, wanna talk come outside. If na right topic, write down there for your social media there. Make people see and say you talk out. Because all those madam, they're not gonna talk, they're not they talk, they deceive them for Nigeria. They deceive all those women for Nigeria, say their pikin still there alive. He said I may go work for Norway. He said I may go work for Italy. He said I may go work for Germany. He said I may go work for Navy. He did glass house, the glass house, they not they receive call. Which glass house they there for Europe, they for the house where they not they receive call? He did. Now they deceive people, deceitful family. God go ask you now. God go ask you now. God go ask you now. So now so say una see that wicked act. You carry pikin come for Nigeria. The pikin don't die. You get contact of your mama. You get contact of your papa. No matter anything what they go do you, clear your heart. Clear your heart. Let that family forget about it. Not put that woman for pressure. Not give that woman BP. Wait till they think about the pikin day and night. Then no say woman not wait till they think about the pikin. They cry. Wait, you say, don't die for Libya. They don't know, say, don't die for sea. This woman, they deceive family, full family for good 4 years, say this girl still there alive. What kind of wicked that, as if this woman, they be saying me, I don't want to do all those kind of nonsense. They be saying me your pictures, but I be woman. I don't want to do all those things because, I want famous. No. I don't want to do it because I want famous. I don't want to do it because I want famous. I don't want to do it because many people know me. No, I'm not they do my video like that. I know say where they go, I go reach out, but I don't want to start like this. I beg this woman that you in Nigeria now. Find any way, may you go beg this family. Pack your people, may they go beg them. Because it's not easy. It's not easy. Bye guys. I love you guys. Guys, if you come across this my video, press like, guys, share this video and press like and drop your comments. And my YouTube name is Becky Love TV. Please go to my YouTube, subscribe, press your like, guys. I love you guys. Bye.